Alrighty, Craig and Emma, thank you very much. Your full weather forecast brought to you by Shepherd Toyota, your hometown connection for Toyota cars and trucks. Easy to find on Route 1, Rockland, Thomaston Town Line. Shepherd Toyota has a great selection of new and previously loved vehicles. At Shepherd Toyota, they don't sell you a car, they help you buy one. Come experience the Shepherd difference today. And we have plenty of active weather to talk about here. Couple shades of pretty much this dandelion color right here, for lack of a better term. This is a high wind warning here until 4 a.m. Saturday for this shade right here. You might notice this shade right about in here. It's a little bit different. It has a high wind watch that will soon be upgraded to a high wind warning, and that is also up until 2 a.m. as we head towards Saturday. So there's those expiration times right there. We also have some other alerts in effect. This right here is an aerial flood watch because of heavy rainfall, 1 to 2, maybe up to 3 inches. Can't be ruled out. In other areas over the ocean, this is a storm warning up until 4 a.m. Saturday. This is worse than a gale warning, so we will also have to watch out for that. And there's other alerts on top of that, so let's cue that up for you now. And this is also a coastal flood watch that's also in effect, located right about in here until noon as we head towards your Saturday. And right about in there as well, this is also a coastal flood warning that's also up until Friday afternoon at 2 p.m. So we have plenty of stuff to track moving forward. Lots of advisories with this very strong system, pretty much a bomb cyclone for lack of a better term, that's currently developing right now, bombogenesis, which means it'll be a system developing very quickly. And look at all the advisories here. Rarely do you see something like this. We have winter storm warnings in the pink, blizzard warnings in the orange right here, and freeze alerts farther down toward the south, along with wind chill warnings and wind chill advisories. There's a lot of cold weather and winter weather alerts in effect across the part of the country, and this is very rare, so we won't see this a lot very often, but we're going to be seeing it with the system. Let's zoom things back in and talk about the radar and satellites. So right now, we're just watching clouds moving in from the west, going toward the east, so not too much going on at this point. The two systems located right about in here and here. We're going to be watching things developing in a big hurry, which will give us plenty of rain and plenty of wind as we head towards the weekend. So here we go. Futurecast breaking all this down. Now we do have clouds that will continue to move in as the day progresses on. By around Friday morning, that's when it starts to move in. It's a little bit of a wintry mix at first. The warmer air will begin to move in. We'll switch over to all rain and some heavy downpours possible at times. And this will continue all the way through Friday evening before things start to taper off a bit by early Saturday morning, maybe with a few leftover snow showers as temperatures fall, and they will fall in a hurry with that cold front that'll begin to move through. The longer term forecast showing this thing really developing very quickly and showing the same thing, a wintry mix that will switch over to rain and lasting for multiple days as well. Here we are by Saturday, and even though most of the precipitation will be done, we will still have to deal with the wind with this system that will continue to move through. Not much of a snow issue with this one, though. We'll show you the latest snow forecast. Anything will be mainly across the northern parts of the state, and most of that may melt with the warmer temperatures. But for us, though, it will be a lot of rain as well. 1 to 2 and maybe up to 3 inches of rain possible before we're all finished up. And real quick with the gusty winds, today we're fine. Look what happens for tomorrow, as we'll be watching for gusty winds up to 50, even 60 miles per hour, maybe getting close to 70 miles per hour in a few spots. So some very strong winds will also be on the way. So your forecast for today, lower 30s, mostly cloudy. The east wind getting up to about 5 miles per hour. For tonight, upper 20s, rain and snow late will also be breezy. The east wind getting up to about 25 miles per hour. And your Shepherd Toyota extended forecast. So we're dry just in time for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Partly cloudy, temperatures in the 20s. That wintry mix will switch over to all rain on Friday, highs in the lower 50s. And we're back in the upper 20s on Monday with a mostly sunny sky.